The question is calculate temporary hardness. We know that temporary hardness is also called as alkaline or carbonate hardness, and permanent is also called as non-alkaline non-carbonate hardness of the water sample containing following constituents or impurity. Okay, so all impurity is given in the tabular form. So the solution is I told you that you have to make 4 columns. Okay, first you have to write down the constituents, and then you have to write down the quantity or concentration given in milligram per liter. Okay, then you have to write down its multiplication factor. Okay, multiplication factor you have to write down, that I will tell you what. Then hardness in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. That means we have to convert everything into calcium carbonate equivalent. Whatever impurity, whatever things are given to you, that you have to convert in calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, so let us try to solve this. For solving this, you should know the molecular weight for each constituents. Okay, so atomic weight will be given to you. You have to calculate the molecular weights. Okay, calcium bicarbonate is calcium. We know that how to solve. Calcium, it contains 2 hydrogen, it contains 2 carbon, it contains 6 oxygen. Everything it will comes around 162. This is how you have to calculate the molecular weight of the constituent. So similarly, you have to calculate for all. Magnesium bicarbonate is 146. Okay, these are the molecular weights. Calcium sulfate is 136, chloride is 95, ferrous sulfate is hydrated, so 278, calcium nitrate is 164, silica and NaCl, you don't have to consider this for hardness here because they will not impart any hardness in your water, so you don't have to consider for calculations. Multiplication factor, it is it is calcium carbonate, chemical equivalent of calcium carbonate divided by chemical equivalent of the hardness producing salt. For example, in the first case it is 100 divided by 2 divided by 162 divided by 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the valency for calcium, so it is 100 by 162. This is the multiplication factor. Now this multiplication factor, this is how you have to write. Similarly, for magnesium bicarbonate, it will be 100 by 146. For calcium sulfate, 100 by 136. For magnesium chloride, 100 by 95. For ferrous sulfate, it is 100 by 278. For calcium nitrate, it is 100 by 164. Okay, so now this multiplication factor, see, second number column is quantity and concentration. This second number column you have to multiply by multiplication factor. Column number 2 into column number 3, so corresponding value will get. Column number 2, for example, first case is 32.4 into 100 by 162. Okay, so the value you will get here is in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent, 2.4 into 100 by 162. So this is how for all you have to calculate. See here, valency for all constituent is 2 for the cation, so that is why 100 by whatever the molecular weight of the constituent. Otherwise, if the valency different, then you have to take 100 by 2 and the corresponding constituent divided by its valency. So you have to calculate 29.2 into 100 divided by 146, so it will be 20. 113.6 into 100 by 136, so it will come as 10. So 9.5 into 100 by 95, so this will come as 10. Okay, then you have 278 So molecular weight is 278 and the constituent given is 13.9. So 13.9 into 100 by 278. So this will come around 5 ppm or 5. Okay. Calcium nitrate 6.4 into 100 by 164. So this will come as 10. Let's calculate the temporary hardness and permanent hardness that we have to calculate. Now we have to select which one is temporary and which one is permanent. Which contain carbonate and bicarbonate, that is temporary, and constituent which doesn't contain carbonate or bicarbonate, that is your permanent. Hardness is calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. Okay, nothing else is there. Okay, so calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate corresponds to your temporary hardness. And 20, so 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 ppm. So answer is your 40 ppm for the temporary hardness. Now let us calculate for permanent hardness. Permanent hardness is your calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, ferrous sulfate and calcium nitrate. Everything here. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 30. So 30 ppm is your permanent hardness. Okay.